Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is Tuesday. It is the it's the 14th day of January, first day of the month of the year 2025. So this video is about a statement about Sinulog, no? So Sinulog was our held Sunday because that the annual celebration of Santa Niña Sinulog is the third week of Sunday. So actually there's no specific date. So right now they have many events like parade, fun run, and many more events. So if you want to go here to go there in Cebu, you need to be careful at the same time. Need a lot of money here, because it's not so cheap to buy food or anything in Cebu. But all in all, you need also to prepare for your mentally, emotionally, because a lot of people emotionally they have a chance that you will get angry, and lastly financially. If you stay for how many days in Cebu, like the lodging, like how you stay, it's not so cheap also. Aside from if you have your cousin who live in Cebu. But the important point here is what's the purpose in visiting Cebu aside from the annual celebration of Santo Niño parade or something like that one. Because going in this time is also a risk, like it's possible that kung ano kayo ng pera. There's a lot of people who don't know who bump you, so extra careful. But my thought here is, or I'm curious why a lot of people visiting in Cebu. Yeah, I understand a source of your devotees, or devotee kayo ng decorate patron na tawag doon. So we have freedom na freedom of religion, freedom of choice. So I'm asking is what's the purpose? And then why this towel to wipe the patron tawag doon? What's the connection? That's my curious. But all in all, let's be alert for crowded people, especially that event doesn't any festival in Cebu. But aside from that, because of that celebration, upcoming celebration, it also have a big impact in terms of business or the economy in Cebu. And in terms of lodging, in terms of food, because of a lot of people. Also one of the benefits. make the Cebu economy booming, that make not only the economy but also individually po, like Oxyls water, binibenta ng tubig, no? It help them. Same time, street vendor, anything that can serve the masses or the devotees, that help them fill their stomach, be comfortable while waiting or celebrating the what they call their patron or the Sinulog in Cebu. And that's it. Thank you and God bless.